Skis help control speed and make better turns. Poles help change directions and help with balance. Ski uniform creates better aerodynamics, making you go faster. Helmet protects the head, and it offers pads that help protect the head from hard impact. Goggles protect the eye, and it protects them from wind exposure. Boots protect your feet, ankles, and lower legs. They protect and stabilize your feet, ankles, and lower leg by providing a hard outer shell that makes it hard to bend bones the wrong way. Broken tibia fibula. This affects your leg anywhere from between your knee to your ankle. This usually happens when skiers take a jump and land wrong on their leg. This usually takes 12 to 16 weeks to heal, and athletes cannot ski during this time. ACL rupture. This affects your knee. This also usually happens when attempting to land a jump. This can take up to 6 months or more of recovery, and the athlete cannot ski during this time. This can also weaken your ACL and make it easier to re-injure it. Concussion affects your brain. This can take anywhere from a couple weeks to a couple months. When you have a concussion, you cannot ski or lift or work out or anything. You are told to lay around and do nothing.